Digital publishing today employs a variety of methodologies. You may have heard buzzwords like waterfall, agile, scrum, and Kanban, but what do they mean? In this video, we'll define these concepts, go over their connections to one another, and examine how they differ from one another. In any project management process, these 5 models are the most frequently used. They provide a variety of frameworks around how to manage your time, define your plan, when to remedy your errors, and much more. We will discuss them during this lesson, presenting the advantages and disadvantages of each. Number 1. Agile. To put it simply, Agile project management is a collaborative method for teams to self-organize over time. Project planning and task management are flexible and evolutionary in development, pursuing early delivery, and always open to change. In contrast to other methods, such as waterfall, it is quick and adaptable. Agile is an extremely popular project management methodology for project teams, and that is because it is a very flexible way to work and collaborate. Essentially, the Agile approach dictates that you have to work incrementally, and this happens in sprint planning cycles. Agile project management works off the basis that a project can be continuously improved upon throughout its life cycle, with changes being made quickly and responsively. Agile is one of the most popular approaches to project management, and that's due to its flexibility, adaptability to change, and high level of customer input. So, if you work in an environment that is prone to change, or want to bring new ideas to your project whenever it comes to your mind, the Agile method is the right choice for you. Number 2. Scrum. Scrum is a quick sprint method of project management. The Scrum approach works best for teams of no more than 10 individuals, and is frequently based on 2-week cycles with brief daily meetings, or Scrum meetings, as they are also known. Scrum is an agile project management methodology led by a Scrum Master, whose main job is to remove all obstacles to getting work done. Work is done in short cycles called sprints, and the team meets daily to discuss current tasks and any roadblocks that need clearing. There are 3 groups of Scrum phases and processes, and these are called pre-game, game, and post-game. When should you use it? Like Agile, the Scrum technique has been mostly employed in software development. However, supporters point out that it is relevant to any industry or business, including retail logistics, event planning, digital publishing, and any project that calls for some flexibility. Number 3. Waterfall. Of all the project management techniques on our list, this one may be the most conventional and linear. This approach works by having the project phases flow downward in a manner quite similar to a waterfall, hence the name. Using the waterfall model, you can only advance from one project phase to another, if it has been successfully completed. This methodology, often used by engineers, is front-loaded to rely on careful planning, detailed documentation, and consecutive execution. But generally, you can group the activities of the waterfall approach into 5 stages: planning, design, implementation, verification, and maintenance. When should you use it? This way of thinking about the project management process has served to streamline the work of many software development companies. However, it has also proven popular in other industries, like finance, marketing, and education mostly. Number 4. Kanban methods. It sounds Japanese, doesn't it? This is because, in Japanese, it means a card you can see. It has been in use since Toyota first launched it in the 1940s. This method uses cards or stickers to visually depict your work. Your objective when using this technique is constant improvement and maximum effectiveness. It helps manage workflow by putting tasks on a Kanban board where workflow and progress are visible to all team members. This gives a clearer picture of the tasks that need to be completed or are already finished. Its fundamental component is either a physical or digital board with 3 columns: to do, in progress, and done, and story cards listing chores. When should you use it? The Kanban approach is used in human resources, marketing, organizational strategy, executive process, and other areas. With the addition of cards to represent project phases, task deadlines, and more, almost anyone can plan using Kanban boards. Number 5. Lean techniques. Lean project management is exactly what its name implies, a method for reducing waste, while simultaneously boosting the value of projects and manufacturing processes. This is accomplished by methodically removing waste from the value stream of the lean production process. Continuous improvement is essential to the success of lean project management. Lean project management has its roots in Henry Ford's flow manufacturing, which automated the car building process. Toyota adopted the concept as well, expanding it beyond production to include ongoing process improvement for product development. What are the 5 principles of lean? According to Womack and Jones, there are 5 key lean principles: value, value stream, flow, pull, and perfection. It's important to remember that lean teams are small. Typically, they have less than 15 participants. Additionally, they are self-managing. They lack formal leaders and a rigid hierarchical structure. In other words, each of their members may carry out a variety of tasks, and they are all interchangeable. When should you consider using lean? Lean can be successful in small projects with a limited time constraint.